Cracking was cracking. Good morning. Don't know who's here, but I'm grateful you're here today. Good morning. Let's get this money. Thank you, God, for such a beautiful day. Thank you for all the things. Thank you for clarity. Thank you for patience. Thank you for discipline. Thank you for proper risk management. Thank you for all the skills that's necessary for this transformational task of trading. Thank you for emotional regulation. You know what I'm saying? That's all we're trying to do. Regulate. Regulate. You know what I'm saying? Regulate these emotions. You can't be a good trader without that, right? That part. All right, guys. Waiting for our 5 minutes. First, we got our little slime bar ready. What's popping? All right, I'm just going to say, remember, we're going to be patient. Let the 5 minute bar print. We learned a big lesson yesterday about the 5 minute bar, about when it wicks up to the high, then it wicks down. That means it's usually going to be a range day. I think today is going to be crazy in a good way. Yesterday was Chop Chop City. But then, I don't know if you know, I don't know if you know, but um, let me just say it went crazy yesterday for the power hour. That was nuts. Oh, let me pull up Book Flow real quick. Let's see what happened with our flow. Let me see. All right. Okay. Taking a look see here. All right. 3 more minutes for the first bar to print. Let's see what we got going. SanDisk looking good. I'm looking at the high value ones here. Let's see. So far, SPY's got some puts coming in. IWM got some puts coming in. So let's be careful today, guys. Let's be careful. We might have a tanking situation again. Tesla pushing up. Possibly getting to 437, 47. It's 9:33. Letting the first 5 minute bar print. Color change event happening on SPY currently. So we may be looking to go down under 696. This is where the low, let's see, the low for pre-market is 692.54. So we could be possibly riding all the way down from 696 all the way down to 691. Waiting for confirmation on that, of course. Tesla still printing. Okay. Now so QQQ is coming down. Ooh, buddy. Talk about falling apart. SPY puts, perhaps. I'm telling you, it's strong today, babies. SPY puts. Black bar shouties. Ooh. It is a day already. SPY put, we don't even got to think about that one. We don't even got to think about it. Currently in SPY put. It's going to be a doozy, I believe. But watch it. Get your profit off top. Remember the first shift. Don't be greedy. Possibly going down to the 72 moving average. We can get down there. We look maybe 695. Definitely falling apart right now. Who in it? Who is SPY puts? I am. Let's go. I miss SPY puts. I love when he come out the gate like this. You don't even got to think about the contract. Jeez. Black box shouty. Good morning, guys. Let's get this bread. We here. Let me tell y'all where I'm at right now. 15% on SPY puts currently. Grabbing first contract. Profit. If you didn't get to get in this time, let's wait till the 945, the 951 pullback. I'm just here to show y'all how the market works. If you don't know, I'm just here for that. The little idiosyncrasies of the market that only talk to you when you pay attention every day. We in the first shift. When 945 hit, we're gonna wait for it to see if it pulls back and goes the opposite way. That's what we're looking at right now. All right. Currently up right now, 20% on the contracts. Get your money. Remember, 951 is going to be the next shift, which is usually a pullback, and then you find your other entrance in. If it looks like it's going to keep going, then just stay in and be okay with the ride. I see 694 is the first level. Let's go. We in green. Get your dollar. We made it already. We made it. Grateful. SPY put came out the game with the black bars. Can it hold? Down to the VWAP area, 694. Looks like there's more momentum coming in here. Google, Microsoft. The ones that are moving right now, going up, is all Energy, XON, CVX, COP, ConocoPhillips. Let's go, babies. Nice little payday today. Easy work. Y'all should be out by 8:45. I mean 9:45. Get your money and get the heck out. Go play at the beach, baby. Go play. We in this. Grab your money. Grab it. Cause it's pouring down. Then we gonna see what after the pullback what 10 o'clock is doing if you still want to play some more. But I'm telling you right now, we are definitely snowfalling. Just hit the 72 moving average. Woo. Well, all righty. Remember, grab your money before 9:45, if possible now. Always, until you get comfortable riding level to level, be comfortable with taking your profit and not feeling like, oh, I could have got more. That kind of comes with patience. Patience. If you want to be in the one that got more money, you got to wait till the market irons itself out, has a nice pullback, and then starts another flow. That's how you could add more contracts and then ride that thing down. But already so far we got I do like I like this 694 possible if it doesn't pull back. But those wicks that showed up yesterday, yeah. Energy is up. So when energy is up, SPY go the other way. That's why you got to know what the market is doing. Let's go. Good morning to whoever's here. Hi. I'm just a pit stop for you guys to understand the market. You know what I mean? I'm just here show y'all where the money's at. That's it. Showing y'all where the money's at. Started off this morning with SPY puts, 1.8 million in puts. IWM got 2.35 million in puts. That's nothing to sneeze at. There you go. Push. Nice. Oh, man. So today was an easy day, guys. I pray that y'all got your money. You can go play today and feel confident. SPY puts paid. It might go down all day. It's job report day. Data. The data's real. What else is going on? Let's see. Could it possibly go here? Do we see 694.76? Good morning, Wes. Black Bar Show, they came out the gate with it. Easy. Easy money. If you missed that ride because you were scared, it's okay. It's okay to be scared. Just wait for the next ride. Wait for the next color change event. Break. Come down to the next level. See how that works? Break right here. If it breaks, 695.16, we're most likely going to come down to 694.41. $72 moving average typically gets touched. It was violent. It was violent yesterday, boy, at the end of the day. I wish I was on power hour moment, but I wasn't. I was in the car. Again, if you don't know how to trade and you want to increase your trading skills, please click my link and then you will be redirected to JR Greatness Stock Levels University. He will help you get right, keep it tight, and keep your stop loss tight. Trade your stop loss. Puts came out the gate with it. Really wasn't much to argue about that. XOM cat is on the move up. Tesla hitting the wall right now. Boop. Leave a message. I think that we could probably go down just a few more dollars here. 695, 43 to 695 even. I just it's just grabbing. It's choppy right now. Just getting out of congestion. IWM is easy work. Easy work. So off the gate, we was in puts. It wasn't even nothing. Sometimes you just gotta know when it's violent like that, it's most likely gonna stick. And you get your money. Amazon falling apart. AMD looks good. So that's what we're looking at today. So remember 9:45. So the first shift already went by. If you didn't grab your profit, now you're sitting here looking crazy. Okay, well, let's try again. Wait for the 9:51 to see what it's gonna do. I do know that there are a lot of puts on the SPY side right now. Google, Amazon, Microsoft. So this could be a potential pullback to add more contracts of puts if it can come down below 695, and it looks like it is pulling back, but it needs to come down lower than VWAP for to add positions. Y'all got this. Come on, baby. Y'all got this. This is easy work. Sitting here waiting for black bars. Easy. The home of the black bar special. Let's go. Violence. Just about all the violence I want is when the bars be moving fast. I don't want no other violence, guys. I'm not, I am a lover, not a fighter, okay? But I like it when it's violent bars, though. Give me that relative value. Let's go. Let's push down. I'm looking for a 695 touch on 72 moving average if it can possibly get there. Looking for some violence to come in. IWM been just pushing it. Tesla falling. Listen, if you want to add positions, you want to make sure you add it here where it's 695, 16. Right now it's stuttering on SPY. So you need to wait for a break. You need to wait for a breakdown. QQQ is already doing it. See that? SPY usually is not far behind. There we go. All right, so it opened up lower. Zoom on in there. Let's zoom. It opened lower. This is where liquidity is. I made the markers this morning. This is where liquidity is on that. So now we need to see if it's worth adding a position to. If you're going to be a scalper, learn how to scalp quick. Tesla just jumping up. I would personally like to see this come down to 695 possible. But again, don't add any positions until you see this break. That is super important. It needs to break that or it's not worth it. IWM has been a perfect trend down. Perfection on IWM. No stuttering. Everybody is in agreement that they're going down on that bus. SPY still fighting. It's got 500 companies trying to argue. Tech is on a downturn right now. The AI bubble is somewhat, I don't want to call it a bubble, but yeah, it's kind of bubbling. All right. We're getting our SPY together here. Remember, we wanted to break and hold, not break and pop, but break and hold, push down to 694.35. This is the low pre-market. I hope this is helpful for you guys. Good morning, my love, Car. Good morning. IWM paid, baby. IWM paying. Tesla dropping. Everything dropping. Puts. If we're doing something, we're doing puts today. This is not financial advice. Whoa. I'm in green on my puts. So if you want to get your $5 today, get your $5 today in puts. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. Today is not the day to hesitate on puts. I'm saying it now, please. And don't buy it so cheap that it don't make you nothing. Come on now. It's coming down. Get your money till you can get confident and going higher with contracts. Right now, I'm in a 694 put. Come on, Car, get it, baby. Wes, I know you over there doing the most, making bands with your risky ass. Black bar shorty. I wish IWM didn't traumatize me because damn, I would be in it. But I hate having to close it 18 times. And then by the time it's closed, I'm like, let's have my profit. IWM said it. I don't like you, Emma. So get your life. I have to go who likes me. And Spy likes me. QQQ likes me. Tesla loves me when I'm playing it. I'm not playing Tesla because it's too congested. But we do like what we like. All right, so what did we say? It was going to get down to 694. That's where it did, and it popped back. Oh, man. So this is so crazy. My brokerage won't let me trade the money I got in it. Talking about it thinks it's something, some security fraud was on there. So it's only let me trade like one contract at a time. And I have been struggling this week. All right, here we go. We still in puts, baby. We still in puts. Let's get this money. Car, are we in it? Are we in anything? Because the money's here today. You're here. The money's here. There's no reason for you not to be in puts. Please put a heart, a blue heart, if you are available for the money. I'm grateful if you got it. Yeah. Wes, you got some money? Looks like it's about to get 10 o'clock. Ooh, look at IWM paying. Jesus. Come on, IWM. Pay people. I love this channel. That's what I'm gonna do. Come on. Let's get it. All right. Still a little choppy, but still puts. I'm telling y'all now, I'm looking at millions of dollars on the put side. Yay! Boo! Kuka! Love you, Wes, with your blue heart. Oh my God, it just makes me swoon. Car still ain't gave me my blue heart of yes, I got some money. I can't with her. Lord. I be trying. I be trying. I be trying. This is a good. Here we go. Here we go. All right. If we can get past the 72 moving average, guys, we probably gonna get a tumble. It would be interesting to add some more contracts on that. SPY. Today is violent. Can it push down? Can it push down some more? I know IWM is Tesla. Ugh, I'm over it. Every now and then it lets me trade something and then it doesn't. It's so weird. I'm over it. Anyway, I am grateful to be in this one contract though. All right. Looks like you can add more positions here. This is a good position adding. It broke it. If it can cross this 72 moving average down, we're looking for it to hop down to this level, which is 694.39, which would be amazing. Car, please let me know you're into something, mama. I'll let you, girl. All right. Up 33% on my SPX contract. You know what that means, Wes. Big West. That's a little whoopty wow contract right there. You know, when I could trade SPX, it would be another level of. All right, so look, we done passed the 72 moving average. Still inputs. Grab your money. It's giving you opportunity to get paid today. If you can get in some more, get in some more. Make your money. I want y'all to win. Look, violent bars coming down. Come on, Car. Look, Wes asking you where you at. Come on, get it. Where you at? My Lord, I mean, just like where my baby at? Tell me you're getting some money. Car be doing a lot, y'all. She's the multitasker of the year. I love her. I just pray she's in it. She probably like, I ain't got time to chat. I'm making this money. Yeah, you are you? Oh, look at this. Oh, snap. We have 85% on the woofy wop. Okay. Oh, Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. It just says, sure, I want to pay you today. Why not? And it just hit our levels, baby. 694.38. What we say? Didn't we say that? Whoop, 39% on the put. Bop, bop. Close the trade. I'm out for the day. 9:57. Let's go. Tesla falling apart. I'm done. Tesla. Yeah, Tesla. Tesla, come on now. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, I'm done. I'll just go ahead and coach y'all through. Let's get it. I'm just about. Car. Oh, congratulations on all the wins, baby. Congratulations. Woo. Y'all look over to the side. Y'all want to see this? West, look at the screen if you can. Look at the screen. Red guy. Ra-ta-ta-ta-ta. Can you see it? Can you see the red guy on the Google, the IWM, the Microsoft? Boy, I'm straight. I'm good for the day. I'm grateful. I'm out. I want to Tesla. What? Oh man, wait. I told Wes this week. I said, man, we gonna maximize this Tesla play. Look at Tesla. Red guy. Pshish. Tuh. That's that OG right there. Green God on gold. We already know what to we could trade QQQ and SPY with our eyes closed today. Let's look at gold. Bam. Gold is saying, look, it's time. Yep. XLE. Hold on. Getting the XLE play. What's XLE doing? All right, so XLE then went up. Now, if I was to get an XLE, mm, Lord have mercy. Look at all the red guys today. We're going to have to call that big sandal candles. Let's see. Good. All right. Y'all know I'm out of the trades. I'm done for today. I love you guys. Look, it's 10 o'clock. Y'all can go play. Y'all don't even got to be here. I'm required to be here. This is the job that I have signed up for. This is the job. Y'all can go play, leave, tell a homie, jump in a put, and they can make them think they could trade. You know, be like, yeah, y'all got to get up in here. Let's go. I love days like this. Easy work. Easy work. All right, so now y'all see right here, a little bounce back move on SPY. I'm out now. I'm not in any trade right now. I'm just trying to see what it's gonna do. So let's learn about moving averages. You see this gap? This is called a moving average gap, and it plays between the lines and it tries to close them together. So imagine when you're looking at this, price is a magnet. And what happens is it tries to come up here and pulls this down, or it tries to pull this up. So right now, price is really dancing with these moving averages. It's saying, look, what are we doing? Are we going to pull it down? They think it's going to be a stock market crash this week. That's what they say. That's what they say. It's looking that way. It's looking that way. These wicks are not your friends. The wicks are not your friends, baby. If price can come down here and close below 694, our next level is right here. I drew these levels out this morning for y'all. For sure. For sure. For sure. Leave a message. Leave a message. Black bar shoulders. I'm in another one. SPX. Give me my bread. Or play dead. Boop. Leave a message. Up 15% on the SPX. I do not tell y'all how to trade SPX. It will kill your account if you ain't ready for it. I should offer a special class for that. Now that would be a class of all proportions. Now that would be a class. Look at that SPX movement. Jesus, help us all. You can go, I ain't gonna lie, you can go buy a house on SPX. You can literally go buy a house, a car. You can have some FU money on SPX. But the same way you can get FU money on SPX, it will take your money, but it won't take too much. It'll just take it fast. You know what I'm saying? But you could definitely go buy a car on this ticker. I'm intrigued. I'm intrigued. It's definitely like 653 horsepower. You feel me? Backwards and forwards. Whiplash. It's not a Honda. It's more like a Maserati, an Aston Martin. What's a fast car? A Porsche. 653 horsepower. Of course, I would love it. We're looking like it could possibly, it's already broke the 200 moving average. So we could possibly come down to 693.08 is the last little area that could push. That's what I'm gonna put a line right here on 650 right here. 693.19. Did I put the line there? Yeah, I did. All right, that's what we're looking at, perhaps, for the next route. Now, remember, if you don't have SPY money, TQQQ puts Look at that. Porsche money. Who trying to buy a new whip? I need to have an SPX day, man. If y'all got futures, y'all need to be playing futures right now. Like, come on now. Let's multitask. Let's get this money. Let's get this. You playing futures? You got to pass this account. This is the time you pass the account. Let's go. This is the day y'all pass futures accounts. I'll walk you through it. It's called sell. Press sell. That's easy. Sell. Okay. Easy work. You ain't got to think. You don't have to buy a contract. None of that junk. Sell. It'd be like when you have the easiest thing in the world, it's like, why you just don't want to do it? You know what I'm saying? Like, why, when it's the easiest thing, you don't want to do it? Futures is easier than options, yet people want to confuse their life with options. I'm just saying. It's just an observation. Just a little observation. I think we like complicating our lives. I'm not here to complicate your life. I'm here to make your life better. That's all I want to do. Make your life better so you can stop complaining and going to a therapist. You know what I mean? If you can make your life better, you don't even need a therapist. And that's coming from a therapist. You feel me? You'd be like, a therapist? What do I need a therapist for? My life is good. What? But some of us want our life hard so we can go talk to a therapist. So y'all can get both here. Easy work. Therapist on call for an hour. Not taking questions right now. And then boom. Can we make it? Look at this. Can we make it to 693.19? Look at that. Look at that. Respect the level, cuz 16% on the SPX contract. I'm sure there's more to go. But I'm gonna go ahead and exit. Oh, golly. Look at that, guys. Jeez. I'm proud of y'all. I know y'all green. I know y'all green. I feel it in my spirit. Because if you did a call, I want to know why. I want to know why you did it. And we can talk about this. We can talk about self-sabotage. We can talk about fear. Or we can talk about lack of preparation. We can talk about a lot of things, guys. It's a safe place. It's a safe place. We can talk about futures. We can talk about the past. We can talk about a lot of shit. Boo. All right, guys. What can be our next level on here if it breaks? If it breaks 693.19, let's start to look forward to 692.74. You see how you can scalp all the way down, get you a few bucks, get up out of there, go buy a bag, go put some money in your 401k. Period. Yep. Tesla, boy. Tesla was another day, buddy. So I get excited about these red bars and black bars. Ooh, let's look at silver. Ooh, look at that. So what we saying, guys? Come down to 692.74. Perfection. Ooh, look at violence. Violence. And flow is coming in on puts right as we speak. They coming in at 665 puts but we're not gonna follow that. That's April. That's April 14th. It might be a crash, guys. We might be prepping for a crash, only. All right. Future's still coming down. I'm looking at MES 6967 on MES. Look, I done put your brakes here. If we can get to this break, do y'all know how I got these levels? Let me tell y'all, we're gonna have a little learning lesson. I got these little purple levels from here. So I went to the weekly chart. Okay, let me tell y'all a little trick, show y'all a little tricky trick. And what I did was I looked for some interesting areas, right? I looked at this high right here, and I looked at this low. And I said, if liquidity is hanging out right here, then I need to make sure that I put this information here. And if liquidity is hanging out here, then we need to mark that too. So look, if we squish this in like this is where all of the buyers and the sellers are hanging out, right? So let's go over here and look where the order block is. The order blocks are at the highs and the lows and the opens and the close of the candle. That's some game for y'all right there. So when you see wicks like this, wick, 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 that usually means the market is going to crash. These wicks are not good. These wicks essentially are telling you it tried to get up here. It tried, and then so much selling pressure pushed it down. It pushed it down 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 day, 6 days straight. On the 8th day or the 8th week per se. So we got 2 more weeks of this BS. I just want y'all to notice 2 weeks of this. Either it's going to fly and break it because Trump is going to say something cool and positive, or he's going to say something really not good. And it is going to come down to the next wick, which is right here, 675. Okay. So that's y'all lesson. So for the next 2 weeks, we're going to be looking at how price reacts. Now I think price is going to come up to 700 and push back down. So it's trying, okay? It's trying to make its way. But that's your lesson today on how I got those purple levels. Always look for the highs and the lows, the opens and the close. Bam. Bow bow. This was $1,000 day for somebody. Thank you, God. $1,000 player. Easy work. Make you want to tell your boss, you know what, boss, I'm done, if I can just get 3 of these days a week, we good. We good. Black boss Shody. I want to call Wes on the phone. What's doing? Listen, we have a special black bar bond. Oh Lord have mercy. Oh, look at it just falling apart. Look at this. So gorgeous. So gorgeous. 691.05. Next level. Can we make it? If it can make it to 691.05, then we're good to go. What's AMD doing? AMD. Oh my Lord, have mercy. Oh, people buying up AMD. Ooh, look at that. Y'all should have passed your account right now on futures. This was an easy $3,000 cash out. Look at my biscuit. Good for you, Wes. All right, there we go, guys. I'm so glad that somebody made some bread today. This was a perfection day. This is a day to day. And look, you didn't have to wait for long either. Not a lot of congestion. Let's observe it. Started off at the gate, push down, no congestion. That's what you're looking for in the morning. No congestion. Tesla started off with some congestion. So you get up, you go boop, 5-minute candle, congestion, 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 break, the congestion, go down. See how that works? All right. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So we did good today, guys. All right, now we're seeing a little pullback on SPY. A little pullback. Hope you got your profit. Now, I still think there's some more puts available, but it has reached its low. See how that pre-market low? It's already reached its low. So now it might start to fizzle around unless it wants to break a new low. Congratulations on all the money, guys. I'm proud of y'all. This was a good day. 10, 15 minutes left. Don't give your money back. Go play at the beach. Log off. Do whatever you want to do. You good today, buddy. Boo. It's so funny was looking at your thing. Easy scan. So cute. I can't take it. I'm gonna tell you, God tested me this week by not letting me have access to my money. Oh my God. He said, "Are you still going to be faithful? Knowing you can't really trade the way you want to trade." I said, "I'm gonna be faithful, God. I'm gonna show up for the people. I'm gonna show up for the people. I'm showing up." That's how you know you love this. When you froze out and you still doing it. Frozen. Like Anna and Elsa. But I've enjoyed looking at it though. I ain't gonna lie. Look at that fly back up. Jeez. Oh, let's see. Okie dokie. Okay, so we're not red godding. We're not big sandaling currently. All right. What a great day, guys. I must say. Should I just quit? Should I just turn this shit off? I think I might. Oh my goodness. More coming in. OMG. Look at the vibe. Look, my screen is frozen. Oh my God, guys. My screen is frozen. Oh my God. OMG. Okie dokie. My screen is froze, guys. It's so much excitement going on. It just froze on my whole thing. Everything else is working, but I can't get out. That's what God said. God said it's time to close it up. Close up shop. Gotta close up shop, Shody. Well, I love y'all. I have to think I gotta close this. I gotta figure out how to get out of here. Look at this. Look at these violent bars. Lord. I love it. Only violence I want to see. Is the only black bars I'm trying to see come out. You know what I'm saying? Mhm. Woo! 10 more minutes left. All right. I'm closing up shop. It's been real. I love y'all. I'm frozen. It's you know what it is? It's storming where I'm at. In my neighborhood, it's raining, and I wonder if it's messing with my internet. I think it is. That makes me sad. But anyway, I did my job today, though, guys. So I'm out, and